Hi, we're at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we'll be looking at the Encore walk-behind mower. This mower does have a 28-inch floating deck. You have these spindles below. There are 360 swivel wheels on the front of this walk-behind, as well as a flip-up floor panel for access to your spindles and cutting deck. This mower does have an easy pull pin cutting height adjustment with cutting heights from 1.5 to 4 inches. This mower does have a Honda 10.5 horsepower GXV 390 engine. There is a fuel capacity of 2 gallons. This mower has 13x5 rear tires. This mower is a Recoil Start. At the back you do have your T-bar style controls with your throttle, release, and drive, as well as the controls on the front. This mower does have a rubber chute and a top forward speed of 3.5 miles per hour. If you are interested in this mower or any other mower we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.